The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Guys, today is Wednesday, December 1st. Get that Christmas shopping in before you experience, as President Biden said, the true meaning of Christmas. Barren shells. Good morning, Jim in San Diego. Paul, good morning. Fellas, good morning, good morning. It is a beautiful day. Markets are up, rebounding spectacularly. We'll see if this holds. NASDAQ currently up 226, ES up 58, YM up 315, Russell up 43 handles today. Guys, I do want to remind you, maybe this happened in the afternoon session, but 2 days ago, there was an institutional buy of 1,000, just over 1,000 contracts in the Russell at 2259. 2259. As I said then, again, it may have happened in the afternoon session. Yeah, we have ADP at 8:15. I won't do anything before ADP. I do want to remind you, or as I said in the afternoon session, anybody that bought 1,000 contracts knew something. Why they didn't buy it lower, I don't know. But they surely didn't care that it pulled back, 50, 60, 80 handles. That was an institutional trade in the Russell. I will watch that level again to see if buying comes in at those levels again. But looking at, these Fed speakers definitely need to take a damn break. Well, Powell and Yellen testify again today. Good morning, Becky, and blessings to you. NASDAQ, we're getting a little pullback, which is good. We are, hourly longs. So as soon as my 10-minute goes long, I will be interested in the NASDAQ longs. YM, long, hourly, long, small time frames, but looks like a pullback, which would be good for us, right? We generally will get a retracement on a strong up move or a down move prior to a continuing move. Russell, same thing, hourly, green, top of the cloud on the hourly. Bet 58 to 60. 60 is really the area that I think we have to cross. And then we trade 80 and 2,300. Gold giving us also a pullback. Gold has some problems in that it's currently running into a confluence of moving averages that are stifling it. The 50 and the 100 period moving averages on the daily are almost converged. Gold would really need to get above 97. Let me just see what this is here. Hang on, guys. Hang on, guys. Let me just remove. There we go. Yeah. All right, we're good on gold. Looking at crude. Crude is getting a bounce. Yeah, well, we're getting a pullback in crude on the small time frames. And we could come back down on crude. We'll see. I mean, natural gas is just still getting, it's thumped. It's not helping that the temperatures here are going to be 70 degrees tomorrow, 65 today. And copper also fighting the 100, the 21, and the 50 all merged at the same spot. Morning, Chris. In any event, guys, we're here. We have ADP, non-farm payroll, at 8:15. We won't do anything prior to that. just quickly take a look at the markets right now. NASDAQ, as I said, is currently up 216. We do have 600 plus buyers. We have heavy volume again. 119,000 contracts have traded, well above average again. ES traded 270,000 contracts overnight, above average, 8,500 net buyers. Gold has 2,300 net buyers currently, 50% or so better volume. So we have volume in gold. And here is crude with 800 buyers, but getting a pullback. It is crude inventory day. And we have 143,000 heavy volume in crude. YM don't really care about small buyers in the YM. Natural gas, as I told you, is getting waylaid at the moment. Copper also has 12, now 19 net buyers. Russell, I will be paying attention to the Russell. We just had a bot trade on gold. I'll bring over the bot trade so far today. Let me do this. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. And let me get that out of the way. And then we'll sit and wait. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right. On Wednesday, December 1st, we have had one trade so far on the bot. We have had a NASDAQ trade this morning. We had a long at 627. All three targets have been hit. Just over $1,000. And gold is now in a short with a relatively small target one. Just to reiterate, yesterday the bots were up 33.60. They were up Monday as well. So we have a pretty good week going. Come on, crude, what are you doing? Again, looking at news. Today is Wednesday. And we have ADP non-farm employment. We know that. 10 o'clock, we have ISM manufacturing. And then, of course, at 10:30, we have crude. Looking at speakers. Maybe we don't have Powell speak. I thought Powell spoke again today. Powell and no earnings of any interest. Yeah, we do. I missed it. 10 o'clock, Powell speaks again. Just waiting on news, guys. Non-farm payrolls at ADP at 8:15. and then we'll get on with getting on. Here is the gold trade. Gold will have to break below 86.3 to get that first target. Hope you guys all had a great afternoon. Again, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. I encourage you to ask questions. Today is the midpoint of your trials. All of your trials will end on Friday. For my members, I believe this is the last week of the current link. So Monday morning, don't email me and say I didn't get an invite to the room. If you are a monthly member, I will be sending those out to you Saturday morning, maybe Friday afternoon. And if you are a bot owner, you will log into the website to get the new link. I do not think gold is going to break 86.3. We shall see. Nice job, Craig. Very nice job. Yeah, I'm a little annoyed I didn't take the NASDAQ last night long. Nice, 3 a.m. All right, target one filled on gold bot. Some support here on gold. If we break 85.2, we might come 84.7. We could come down to 83.2. I don't think we can get third target, but maybe. Let's see here. A close below 46.20. A daily close? Mimi, daily close? We are right at 46.20. What's IB? Oh, okay. Oh, initial balance. Okay. Yeah, got it. Slight beat. ADP came in at 534. Let's call it in line. All right, I'll put that at even and get it off the screen. Buyers in gold. Good morning, Kirk. Back month was revised lower. There's the bounce in the ES right off that 46.20. Gold really needs to get back above 1800, 1801. You've got a long on gold, long on gold, long on gold. Long on gold, fellas. Target number one, call it 89.3 from 87.4. See if I can get in that trade. Filled. I will not sit with this. Morning, Hubba Hubba. My stop is too tight, that I can tell you. Come on, gold. Got buyers. All right, I'm going to kill it. 1 second here. Come on. Got buyers here, fellas. I don't think we're coming a whole lot lower. Son of a gun. This could pull back to 83.8. You dog. All right. I'm out. 15. Not looking for short on gold. I am not looking for a short on gold. OPEC technical meeting is starting now. If this bounces here, I'm going to be torqued. Guys, I like, you son of a no good, dirty rat dog. Here comes target. Anybody hold it? Gold is longs, guys. All right, Sharon, good for you. All right, Deepak. All right, guys, good. That'll teach me to use, there's target. That'll teach me to use ridiculously small stops. Nah, it's long. It's long. I'm telling you, it's long. It's long. I mean, it's long. It's long. I took a loss on a trade using too small of a stop. Sometimes I do that because of, my concern for the room. And there was your target. If we can get above 91.3. Yeah, dog. Nice job, Frank. Crude's a little busy. Bot's going to fire a long on gold at the close of the candle. Hey, Tim. I absolutely am, Tim, and absolutely will. Of course. NASDAQ could come all the way back to somewhere between 290 and 317. I told you this thing was a long. God dang it. Boy, I hate when that. Well, I chinched on the stop. You're asking about 45.90. I'll let you know at 10:30. OPEC Plus says Omicron impact on oil demand remains to be seen as transmittability and severity not yet clear. Out on gold on the runner. You still in, Greg? Do I have any crypto recommendations? All right, Dan. Yeah, there was one Red Fox. Look at that. For the record, that's not a recommendation. I'm just saying look at it. Like gold, fellas. At 93 to 94 area is a obvious problem, but I like gold. The country of Greece to fine the elderly $114 per month if they remain unvaccinated. So we have a crude trade here, third trade of the day. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, Russell's the only thing I really like right now to the long. I like gold. Gold long. I didn't say I was trading it. I traded it the other day. Morning, Jeff. Gas still getting freaking pummeled. Copper, nothing. Crude has to get above 70. It's got some work to do. Looks like we're going to sell at the open here, guys. Dollar index selling. Yeah, I like gold. I don't know how you could be. It's going to short. I mean, it may not. It's if it gets to about 89.3, this should roll. I do prefer gold long, not short. I mean, that's OPEC Plus announcement tomorrow. All right, fellas. 3 minutes or so to the open. Well, they got to buy something. If I was a betting person, it's going to be the Russell. Jesus. You think it's going to pull back to 35? That's zero. Hang on 1 second here. Mimi says, okay, so we'll get a pullback. I did not say that, Mark. No, you are wrong. What I said was third trade of the day. One in NASDAQ, one in gold, one in now crude. Yep, 855 is correct. All right, guys, under a minute. NASDAQ is building up volume to the downside. Break of this 37, which looks like it's going to happen right on the open, is 15-minute support if you're still short NASDAQ. "15 seconds. Three, two, one, off. We're off. This is trade number 3. Short NASDAQ. Here comes that 317. Ticks plus 1700. Wow. Here comes that 17 target. What a freaking monster. Come on, 17. Getting a pullback everywhere. All right, guys. Let me look at gold. Man, gold's right in the middle of its opening range. I don't expect much out of crude today. It is inventory day plus OPEC. We hit 17 and then some on the NASDAQ. I mean, you guys have a completely free trade here, fellas. ES is getting puked. Let me see what the YM is short. Maybe down to 650 area. YM is short on the open. ES is pulling back. Russell is just flipped. Jesus. Missed that first target by about 6 ticks. Okay. Let them do what they're going to do, guys. NASDAQ still coming if you're short from that 60-something. Yeah, and if I had to guess, Apple's holding NASDAQ up again. Apple's up $1. Actually, everything is green. Apple's up, Facebook's up, Tesla's up big, Amazon's up big, Netflix up, Nvidia's up, Square, AMD, Twitter, IBM, Microsoft, everything is green. I'm not sure what this is about. I don't know what the hell is getting sold, but everything is green. The only red I see is Baidu, Moderna, Zoom is down $1. I'm sorry, $4. Walmart's off 7 cents. There's virtually no red. All right, we sold them all back. That's interesting open. Gold on the bot, coming to first target, almost there. Not quite. There it is, first target filled on gold on the bot. Now it's just free. Well, I'll tell you, this market is Just shorted 86.7 on GC. Okay. Gold. Yeah, opening range low is 85.1. If it breaks through 85.1, it probably gets hammered a bit. We're going to push lower in NASDAQ. Guys, at 68 area, you have a 100 handle trade if you stayed in the short. Anybody still holding the short? You have 100 handles. All right, Russell is bouncing off VWAP. YM came down to not quite my 650, but pretty close, 70. If it breaks here, you're going to get that 650. If anybody is short YM. We held VWAP 20 ticks shy, but I think you get the 650 if you're short. Crude, kind of directionless, typical. Here's your opening range low on gold. NASDAQ looks like it's going to bounce back to 330. 330. Out on gold on the runner. Another first target only. Okay, Mimi. I mean, nothing is really, I don't see anything red. I see nothing red. I don't see any reason for this sell. We should go back to 330, 328, 329 on the NASDAQ. YM's holding that 70. ES looks like a long here at 10 up to 16 with a stop below 5. 10 long ES with a stop below 5, back up to 15. Gold, I like longs. I don't have gold short. Crude is trying to bounce still. That bot trade is still on. Has not gone to a target or a stop. Above 70, it's going to break out. Remember, today is inventory day. So if you're not in, crude, NASDAQ fails. If you're not in crude, or you're not, you may want to shut your bots off around 10. I don't, Mark. All right, guys. Come on, NASDAQ. What do you want to do? 1,300 sellers. This could be a repeat of yesterday. They bought them all back in the afternoon. Every one. I mean, NASDAQ is still. Oh, I think there goes YM. There goes Russell. Oh, I don't think he's going to fix it. Anybody take ES, guys? At 10, stop below 5. First target is 15. It got close. Got 13 half. Hey, God. I said everything by ticks. Watch this long trying here on NASDAQ. We're flattening out. All right, I'm getting ready for a long here on. I'm long NASDAQ, guys. Come on, NASDAQ, you dog. That's about my kill. Come on. I'll take 2 off about 8 if I can get it. God dang it, NASDAQ. Come on. Buyers are trying. Come on, buyers. There we go. Come on. Come on. You got them. Let's go. Let's go get 12. There's a Russell short on the bot. I'll move it in a second. Come on, I want 8. There it is, 8. Got target 1. No, I didn't say anything to you. Target 1 filled NASDAQ. Target 1 filled. All right, now I want 30. 30. Come on, get up there. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, buddy. You guys can take your risk off if you'd like. Your prerogative. All right, I'm out. I'm out of the NASDAQ for now. Out of the NASDAQ for now. Ah, you dog. You got me. Okay. Target 1 only. Here comes my 25.30. 91 should now be support. 91 should now be support. There goes gold. Would have gotten my final target. Long NASDAQ, guys. NASDAQ is long, so once we get through VWAP. Here's that Russell bot trade. It's given 3 signals on the same trade. NASDAQ comes up through VWAP. 91 should be support, guys. Got a 157 here, bottom again at 18. ES got my first target, 15.16 from 10. If you guys took that. Anybody take ES? First target's off there too. Here's that Russell trade now that we're kind of slowing down a bit. Come on. Guys, this is all the same trade. It's all the same trade. Yeah, let me go look at RTY. Well, it doesn't look like it wants to come down. It's just stuck at about 38, above 38. It needs to get above 38. NASDAQ 91 should be support. We just came back into that 90-91. Russell's holding the best. It's at 9:49. Next 10-minute bar coming. 30 seconds. Long NASDAQ. I have NASDAQ long. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. We need to get back above 11. YM slipping. NASDAQ's dipping. Crude just flipped into a short. That's what I said. Yeah. 38's got to go. I like it above 38. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. What are you doing? Need to get above 08 again. There we go. Come on. 08. It's above 8. Come on. Now we got to get above 11, 12. If we get above that 12 level, that orange level, we should trade back up into VWAP. That's where we're stuck. Next candle, it'll go on a 3-minute bar. Yeah, that's right. 10 o'clock, we've got Powell again. It's kind of what it looks like. You're right. What's he going to say today that he didn't say yesterday? There goes gold bid. Nice job. Geez, nice job, James. There we go. There goes NASDAQ, guys. We're back. We're above. Russell. They're buying him back. We went red delta. They're buying him back. We're just yutzing around here, fellas. Yutzing. That's it. Could be we're waiting on pop. That's Russell. Got target 1. But I don't think Russell's going anywhere. There it goes up. Crude's flat. That's it. Out of the Russell and the runner. I'm going to take a NASDAQ long, guys, here. 12, 13. And I'm going to try to get it up to 20, 21 for target 1. Need to come up through 14. Come on, NASDAQ, don't you do it. Come on. I'm on the close button. Come on. Let's bounce. Got to get back up through. Now we got a gold trade. Got to get back up through 06. There we go. Come on. Pop here. Pop 15. Not by a tick. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, dipshit. Oh, pardon my French, fellas. Come on. Hit target. No. Got it. Got it. Got it. Rat bag. Oh, go. We don't give no crap about Powell. Russell's bid. Russell's going nicely. Russell was long above 38. Obviously, I'm late. Here comes Russell. They're buying Russell. And here is a gold trade, which is number 4. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go 40, baby. Let's go 40. Anybody long NASDAQ? I got you now. Oh, yes, I do. I just closed my trade. Trying to put a stop on. You idiot. It's going to 40. Going to 40. It's being a chooch. That was operator error. Total operator error on that. Guys, you should still be in NASDAQ. That was total operator error. Yep, the opening range will be set momentarily. Watch gold opening range high is 92.8. Yeah, this is it. What could Powell say, seriously, that he didn't say yesterday? ISM manufacturing. 1/10 lower. What a dingbat. 48 is your next target. 40 and then 48. If you're long, 40 and 48. Rat dog. Oh, I'm an idiot. There's 40 and then 48. I'm an idiot. Dozen years with this platform and I do something stupid. NASDAQ gets above 60 and it's off to the races. Off to the races. Above 60. Now we're going to have a little bit of a problem at 57. The opening range high is 53.75. I bought back 800 in this candle, this 3-minute candle. There's your Russell. I say. What? Here comes 60. We got to break above 60. Here we go. Bye. God. I closed out my trade. Gee. Yeah, it's going. This is it. That was BTFD, fellas. I had the right trade twice. I got targets twice and then closed out my dang runner. Nice job, Lori. All I can do now is cry the blues, fellas. Think that's a country song. Russell's up 10 handles above that 38 entry. Your long YM right now, 825. Your long Russ ES. How about that 10 call on the ES? It's only at 30. Anybody up 20 handles on the ES? Bazinga. Bazinga. Russell. Guys, they're all up. Anybody long anything still? Nice job, Todd. 3 on from 8.25. We just broke the opening range high. Now we go 81. 81's coming. Nice job, Chris. Tell him what he's won, Johnny. Nothing. Close the trade. Everything's breaking its opening range high. YM broke its opening range high. Here's YM. Yeah, I should have put a 10 piece on. I should be like Chris. 7,500. I'm not ready to be a baller shot caller yet. I'm not ready to be Chris. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Yesterday's high? 456. We're pushing that damn 20 period moving average. Okay. And RTY. Nice. From 38. I think once we get the talking heads out of here, although if they're speaking, I'm not hearing anything. You're welcome, Ed. You should still be in. It's going 81. Okay, Paul. Well, you should still be in NASDAQ, guys. I told you, just told you, it's going to 81. And then I think 440. I just need this 10-minute bar to close and I'll get another buy signal. We're going 380, fellas. I'm telling you, we're going 380. Hell, it didn't even take him till this afternoon to buy these back. We're only down 600 and change on the contracts. Next 10-minute bar in 46 seconds. That will give me another buy signal on a 10-minute bar. ES was the trade of the day at 10, guys. 22 handles. What about copper? What about Bob? Copper is long right now, 30.75. Copper is long. It's fighting a little bit of resistance, but it should go 31.50. Copper is long. Gold finally got targets, 93.94. Targets are hit on gold. 22.54. Next target on $80. Call it 80 on NASDAQ, guys. There anybody long copper? Anybody take copper? There's copper. If you're long copper. Okay. I like copper to 50, 55. Really, I like copper to 32.50. But nice job. Damn it, I missed Russell. Oh, Welski. NASDAQ got 77. Let me look at NASDAQ. Yeah, long. I wouldn't mind a pullback on the NASDAQ. Out in gold on the runner. Gold out. Above 22.58, we go daily up. I said 60. So you're 22.59 almost. NASDAQ is not a short. It is not a short. Next 15-minute candle in 2.5 minutes. Yeah, Russell is stalling a bit. I'm waiting for Russell to go 10-minute up. It's almost there. Still like NASDAQ. All right, well, the easy money's been made now. YM was a nice long, if you guys took it. When I said it was around 20. All right, there's our pullback on the NASDAQ. I don't think it's coming back very far. We're hourly green, small time frame green. And I would not be surprised to see daily up today. I will not short the NASDAQ, guys. I'll buy pullbacks. I will not short the NAS. Come on, 60, 61 I want. And then the next bar. New candle right now. There we go. Now we're fighting resistance here. Come on. Let's go, NAS. It's going to come to 34. Need to get this back above 48. Come on, it's trying. 48. I said 40. There's a gold trade on the bot. I'll move it in a minute, guys. All right. Come on. All right, that's it for me here, fellas. This has got to be the last area of support. That's it. I'm done. Out. Trade number 5. This is getting ridiculous on gold. blanket travel bans will not stop the Omicron spread. What are you doing here, Naz? Still think longs, fellas. All right, here's what we got. We have a short on the bot. We have a short on the bot. And we have a long on the Russell. I still like the longs, guys. On the NASDAQ. Nobody took 29. Okay. We're all waiting on the NASDAQ. Okay, Keith, good for you. All right, Scott, good for you too. Nice job. NASDAQ's down to 1,700 net negative delta. They bought back 450, 600, 650 contracts in the last 6 minutes. I told you I'm not looking for shorts, guys. Here's where we're getting stuffed on the 15-minute. Look, the 20 period and the 50. If we can get above 60, there she blows. I really like this long. I don't like the shorts. Nice job, Steve. Told you, I don't like it short, guys. If we push through this, confluence of the 50 and the 20, this is going 81. It's failing again at that 60, right? So we know what the problematic area is. But if this goes above, that's probably 60. That's 77. Let's see. Guys, if you were in order flow group yesterday, I have not sent the link yet. My apologies, but I didn't get to it. I'll do that as soon as I close the room. My target on the ES, you have infinitely more patience than me. 648. 48. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Yeah, I like it long, guys. I mean, it may waffle around in here, but I don't have us in shorts. Gold is going to short again. And it just did. Trade number 6 on gold. This is just ridiculous. $11 I'll go over trades and bot totals. Look at my new handy dandy indicator. Hourly up, 3 minute up, 1 minute up, 5 and 10 minute are still not up on the NASDAQ, but not far. Bonds have been, yields are rising. Tell you what I did forget. ES was a nice trade. You got 5 handles in it. NASDAQ's going to go too, guys. There goes NASDAQ. Guys, if NASDAQ gets through 75 to 77, it's over. Come on, you dingbat. We've pushed through the opening range high again. We're through the 50. And 81 should be where we go, and potentially higher. Just got to get through this 68 again, get through 66, 67. Down to 1,000 net sellers. All they got to do is buy them back. Come on, buy them up. Come on, get up through 67 and it's a zip. Five minutes of the next 15-minute candle. Come on. Take out that 67. We get above this 68 area, this goes. This goes. It's got to blow 68, fellas. Damn it. Lower high. Stair stepping higher on the 68. Come on, buy them back. Got to come back through at least 60, these sellers. Fed's Powell reiterating we need to move on from the word transitory. Reiterating risk of higher inflation. I know. Hey, come on. Hey, you know what it is, Chris? We laugh at it, but he's speaking to the average idiot American, right? They've lied to people for months and months and months and months. It's transitory. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Everything's good. And the average idiot walks around and says, it's good, it's okay, it's transitory, this won't last forever. Then they come out 6 months later after they bought 6, 8 months and they say, you know what, it's not transitory. We're kind of in a bind. And what are they doing? They're setting everybody up for interest rate hikes. That's all they're doing. That's all this is. It's a friggin' game. Tell me why the Fed would leak to Goldman Sachs 3 interest rate hikes next year. Tell me why. Why would you leak that to anybody? It's unconscionable. Guys, if we blow through 81, we're going 400 and change. All right, 1058. Yeah, I think we're going to see yesterday's high too, but not until we get through 81, 82. YM was a good trade. ES was a great trade at 29. It's now 38, almost 9, 10 freaking handles. Russell hasn't turned up yet, but it's trying. Probably above 50, 51. It's 10:59, guys. I'll be doing bot trades in 30 seconds. $81 next target. All right. Russell is now turned up, and the NASDAQ has turned up also, which does not preclude a pullback, right? But we've turned up on my 10-minute. All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock. Let's go over bot trades. Nothing on the ES today. The only thing that did not take a trade. Nothing on the ES. Here is the NASDAQ. 2 trades on the NASDAQ. First trade this morning, both winners. 627, all 3 targets hit. And then we just got this short at 1024 for first target only. Didn't get to second target, but first target. Let's do the easy one. Russell. Russell took 3 trades today. This mishmash of signals is all the same signal. It is not 4 consecutive or singular trades. It took the short here. Okay. First target only. No, that was the losing trade. Trade number 2 was first target only. And trade number 3, all 3 targets. That's it. Here is crude. The only trade that I let the crude bot take was this long, which was a losing trade. Today is inventory day. I shut it off. I hate trading this bot on Wednesdays. And then this mishmash here of about 16 dozen trades, all winning trades today in gold. Trade number 1, first target, almost to second. Trade number 2, first target. Trade number 3, first target. Trade number 4, first target. Trade number, looks like we had a losing trade. Trade number 5 was a losing trade. No, trade number 5 is a losing trade. Trade number 6, that's trade number 6, winning trade. And now we are currently in this trade here. Trade number 7. That's actually trade number 7. God, I've never seen it do that. But okay. 7 trades, fellas. Here is your bot total. Bot total is plus 2,140 today, pending the completion of this trade. 2140. It could be greater or lesser. It depends on what happens with that gold trade. Okay? If you guys are here on trial, I will be sending you out a daily email once again today. If you guys are with me at 1 o'clock, I will see you in a couple hours. If anybody needs me, please feel free to call me, email me, or Skype me. I will see you guys in a couple of hours, okay? You as well, Jeff. Guys, be blessed. I will see y'all tomorrow. Decent trade. We'll get at them again tomorrow. See you guys.